talk about a choice. On one hand, you've got this. A stainless steel wedge that weighs over 3 tons, is literally bullet-resistant, and accelerates faster than a lot of supercars. And on the other, you have a German masterpiece packing a beastly twin-turbo V8. This is the Tesla Cyberbeast versus the Audi RSQ8 Performance. This is a battle for the title of the ultimate all-around supertruck. One is a wild vision of the future, a rolling tech gadget that throws convention out the window. The other is the peak of internal combustion performance, a perfect mix of luxury, comfort, and absolutely brutal power. The Tesla Cyberbeast. This is the top dog Cybertruck, armed with 3 electric motors that unleash a ridiculous 845 horsepower and 930 newton-meters of instant torque to all 4 wheels. But here's the kicker. It weighs a massive 3,104 kilograms, and in the gasoline-powered corner, the Audi RSQ8 Performance. Under its hood is a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, a work of art that puts out 640 horsepower and 850 newton-meters of torque. That power goes through Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, with a slick 8-speed automatic. And the big difference? It weighs in at a much lighter 2,275 kilograms. That's almost 830 kilos less than the Cyberbeast. The Cyberbeast just vanishes. The instant torque is absolutely vicious. Looking at the numbers, the Tesla is ridiculously quick, hitting 60 miles per hour in a mind-bending 2.6 seconds. It consistently ran the quarter mile in just 11.6 seconds. But in one race where the Audi hooked up perfectly, it actually beat the Tesla with a time of 11.4 seconds, which shows you how close it can be. Now the Cyberbeast, and oh boy, you feel every single one of its 3,104 kilograms. The steer-by-wire system is super fast at low speeds, which is great for parking, but out here on the track, it can feel a little unnatural. The Audi is like checking into a 5-star hotel. It's a stunning mix of leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The seats are amazing. They're heated, cooled, and even have massage functions. The tech is perfectly integrated with beautiful high-res screens, but you still get physical buttons for the important stuff. It feels expensive, luxurious, and perfectly put together. Living with these two also means choosing between 2 very different lifestyles. With the Audi, you've got the familiar routine of stopping for gas. That 4.0-liter V8 is thirsty, so fuel and maintenance costs will be high, but you have a huge network of dealers for service. But what do you think? Which one of these titans would you take home? The electric brute from the future or the polished German powerhouse? Let us know down in the comments.